highlights of the week's games can be reviewed, recycled. Enjoy the new. Tuwing linggo, 9:30 ng umaga bago magsimba o tapos na magsimba, bago kumain ng tanghalian. Pero ito, may report tayo kay Bianca.
Maraming salamat, Steph. Kanina pa ulit-ulit na sinasabi ni Coach De Los Santos na basahin ang movements ng kalaban dahil mahirap nga naman na manghula. Pero mukhang si Coach mismo ang gumagawa ng trabaho na yan. Kailangan gumalaw-galaw pa at sana mapagtanto nila na kulang sila sa tiwala at focus. Ulitin natin yan. Focus sa sarili. Kaya hindi 100% ang galaw. Samantalang sa mga Rising Suns, all smiles ang mapapansin natin. Siguro kung may kulang sila para maging perfect game ay konti pang communication sa isa't isa. Pero ang pinaka-concern ngayon ay ang pag-maintain ng intensity at huwag mahawa sa sakit ng pagiging kampante. Back to you, Steph and Mosey.
In a rare moment wherein Junella could not lift the ball up, actually. Thank you, Bianca, for that report. You know, Shaq is in a teaching mode. Paulit-ulit eh. Kailangan talaga, kuminsan, ang lesson, puk-puk-puk.
Ganun talaga pagka bata. And nagagagawan doon ng ating libero, si Agno at si Giselle, si setter.
Eto na, kawala na itong kupunan ng Cagayan. 9-5 ang bilang ho natin dito sa third set. First two sets, kung ngayon lang kayo nag-switch over, whether watching on the stream or on GMA News TV, eto na, first two sets, nakuha ng Cagayan. Undefeated in 4 starts. Still winless in 3 ang FU. Magiging sila ang bottom kung tumutuloy ang trend, ano, kasi yung Navy, ano pa yung isang team, PNP yata ang hindi pa
Wala pang panalo.
So yan, magbabago in the course of the week. At dalawang team po ang hindi papasok sa quarterfinals. Basas Oz!
Yan, nabigla doon ng mga Cagayan.
Pwede.
Tony Basas with that very strong open hit.
Future star ito.
Kaya kanina pa hinahanap ni Coach Shaq yan. Hindi naman natin siya masisisi. Dahil alam niyang meron. Alam naman niyang kayang-kaya nila.
Alam mo, dapat humingi pa siya ng bola. Tabakero. Giselle Seed. Basas. Dump. Huli. Ang ganda lang bumasa nito ng butas. Axel is our official outfitter in the Shakey's V League. Joy Benito will get to see some action for the first time.
Well, so far itong si Soraya, 23 excellent sets na. Ito namang si Giselle, having 15 of her own. Dahil alam natin si Giselle pinapalitan ni Papa na some point in the game.
Yeah, that's correct.
And itong si Palma already with 5 attacks. Si Basas with 3. Tipachot with 12. At si Tabakero with 10. Tipachot trying to add up to that attack point pero no go. Sumobra.
Para siyang 12-year-old. Hindi nga, di ba, no? Parang...
Napagpumalo, kasama lahat ng kamag-anak.
Hindi ba, hindi pa tapos yung kanyang childhood, pero paumpisa pala ng teenage. Pero nakakatuwa, she has a little girl mannerisms.
Kaya siguro magkakasundo rin sila ng mga teammates niya.
Actually. Ooh, smart move.
Yes, exactly. Going for a power dip. Medyo late na siya dun sa kanyang palo, dun sa kanyang approach. Still made gold with that trash.
12-7. Guest player from Thailand. Soraya Pomla. Okay, he has a decent serve.
And it was even directed to Agno, the libero of FU.
Parang paborito niyang target yun eh. Magta-time out tayo pero time to listen in to Shaq.
Ha? Habol! Sige lang, ganyan ang score natin. Ha? Oo. Eh, sumiservice ko, di ata mo kasi. Sige lang, maganda. Pero trabahuin nyo, kayo maglalaro dyan eh. Ha? Sige lang yan mo.
Again, ang importante talaga, partner, is yung reception. Dahil alam mo namang may Tony Basas ka, may Palma ka, may mga pwedeng pumalo eh. Pero ang nangyayari, ang hirap-hirap kumuha ng magandang first ball.
To control the first ball, lalo na yung serve po, eh medyo umaalon yan eh. Hindi naman diretso lang.
Ayan.
Ayan, o, tingnan mo. Oh.
Yan naman eh, sharp as a knife. Sobra, parang kutsilyo.
Yung mga magagaling mag-serve, gaya ni Soraya, alam mo, parang spike yan from the back row.
Correct. Later on, when you're a young volleyball player, later on, you really want that, yung pag medyo mature ka na, itatry mo na yan susubukan mo na maging offense kagad yung servisyo mo. Sa umpisa,
Yeah,
siyempre, gusto mo just to get it over,
Yeah.
the consistency next, and then next time, lalagyan mo na yan ng power.
I think-
Gusto mo na siya maging opensa.
I think the one I saw develop that was Zia Herbacio of Ateneo. Nung una, easy serve. Then later years started jump serve it.
Yeah.
In the meantime, this will stay down and it'll go to FEU. It'll make it 8:15. Magsaserve si Giselle C. Official ball of the Shakey's V-League is Mikasa.
Once again, Aiza Maizo, not challenging the blockers anymore.
And they're having a big laugh as Chisayet was trying to go in. Naabutan ng technical timeout. Now Wapoys tuloy si Chi in a rare moment of, Wapoys.
Ito ang Shakey's V-League. Bira na.